So Schej is a hybrid optimization tool, but how does it manage the sort of dynamics between different areas of the business?
Social interaction ultimately is not easy, right? There's a number of kind of quantifiable factors in terms of how often people are meeting with each other, how closely the teams work with each other. But beyond that, it can be pretty hard to delve into. And if you think about, an organization of 100 people, they're probably having thousands of meetings per week. That's a huge number of data points for any business to try and analyze. And so at Schej, we build a social graph between the individuals and also between the teams. And so from that, you can begin to infer how closely people work together and on what patterns and how they change over time. Actually, we can use that information to not only, create the best office attendance schedule possible and to make sure that where people are being sat in an office and what space they're using works from a dynamics perspective. You can also then give data insights to businesses to say, these two teams work very well together, these two teams don't work so well together, these two teams never come into contact. And actually, it's really beneficial to have a well-informed workforce about what's happening in the rest of the business. One of the regular complaints that we've heard is, individuals no longer really aware of what's going on in the rest of the business. So the silos of information, which was always a feared term, have just become exponentially worse. And actually, you could understand as a business that these two teams don't actually really interact very often and probably aren't that aware of what they get up to. So actually, maybe it's a good idea to them to have a meeting every so often, or to suggest that, the managers catch up and sort of work if there's any kind of collaboration that can be done between the two different areas. It's, a vast challenge, and it will grow in complexity with the size of an organization and also the sort of variety of the roles within a business. And so businesses need a specialized tool like Schej to both manage the challenge, but also provide the data insights that will come off the back that can help them build a more efficient and well-functioning organization.